When the sun goes down, you know where I'll be, with a case of good time and some John Deere green, kicking sparks to the sky. I'm in my zone every night, spraying on that campfire cologne, a campfire cologne. And you know I'm not alone, a campfire cologne.
What's going on, guys? Packy Can 89 back here for another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about, again, future videos that will seriously be coming up, since hopefully I should be getting paid this Friday. I think. They said they're holding a check like most jobs usually do, so I started this week. Hopefully I get paid this week. If not, I'll get paid the following week. And yeah. Which means more videos coming out for you mother truckers. I'm gonna talk about those videos. But before we do that, let's load ourselves a lip of some coke. Can head on straight along cut. Alright. Pack your can, pack your lip, or pack your cheek with me. But yeah, we're just gonna talk again. Oh fuck me. That's like one gnarly baby. That's like a one pincher. Fuck. Seriously. And of course I'm broke, so I won't be getting dip for a while. That sucks. Unless I magically could borrow $10 from somebody in my family to go get gas, because I really need gas, so I've been getting like $10. Then, for you mother truckers, I will be getting some dip, so I'll put like 5 in the gas tank. Maybe not. Probably, maybe not. But I'll at least try and get 1 can for y'all. So, finish the can off. God damn, that's a hogger. Line up your can. Where'd you go today? Y'all already know, I'm not gonna say it. Go put this on the tower. Alright. Back to the video. So like I was saying, once I get paid, I'm gonna stock up on dip and stick it in my freezer. Alright. So a lot more dip videos obviously coming out. This check, if I get paid, strictly buying all the Copenhagens. I want to do a series on all the Copenhagens, right? So this is how I'm gonna do it. Right? I'm gonna buy all the Copenhagens that I could find around in my area, and each day I'm gonna do a review on each of the different Copenhagens. So let's see. Cope long cut, Cope straight, wintergreen, mint, dark premium wintergreen, dark premium mint, fine cut. So, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 7 days, 7 different reviews on the Copenhagens. And then on the 8th day, starting Monday, well actually, I might do 2 videos on Sunday, the last day, and do a suicide of the Copes. I haven't decided that one yet, but I know I'm going to be doing a review on all the Copes. Now, okay, now thinking about it, yeah, because if I go to a can a day, then I should be able to do within the 7 days the Cope reviews. The following week will obviously be a different dip, so it could be Skull, Grizzly, Longhorn, Kayak, Kodiak, should I say? Kayak. What else do we have around here? Stokers. We don't have that many Stokers around here. I think our main ones are the Stokers Mint, Wintergreen, and the Straight. So that's gonna be a short like series, and then within that week I'll do another. You know. So. Well, yeah. That's that on those kind of videos. Those are gonna be coming up real soon. I'll get paid. What's next? Job. Okay. I like my job, don't get me wrong. I mean, washing cars, getting paid, it's easy. But management is a dick. Alright? Like, my manager is a straight up asshole dick who could suck a dick. Okay? And Saturdays are mandatory. Mandatory to work. Which sucks, because I want to get back into Airsoft. And Airsoft usually happens on Saturdays and Sundays. I'm off on Sundays, but Sundays is my relaxing day. So I like to go out on Saturdays and play Airsoft. Nothing wrong with that, right? I can't, because I gotta fucking work. So, I have to, I'm in the process of finding, like, I'm still job hunting. I'm keeping this for now, like I said, so I can pay off my phone, car, and obviously buy dip to make good content for you guys. Now, the reason I'm trying to find a job, another one is, because I want to try and find one that works with that could work with me, or I could work with them. You know, so if I can get like an overnight stocking job at like Walmart or whatever is around me, to where I, do a 12 to 8, I could go home and go play airsoft. Like I've done it before. I had an overnight job working overnight stock, and I used to do it all the time. I used to go home and like 8, I do 12 to 8, come home, get my shit ready, and I just go straight out and play airsoft all day. And I miss it. I mean, as you see, I got 2 right there that basically just sit there, and I don't get to use. My little cousin, he wants to start getting into airsoft. His dad and his girlfriend's son, they want to get into airsoft, so we're trying to start a squad. Task Force Delta is our squad name. So that's another reason I want to start getting Saturdays off, so we can play airsoft together. Now I know a lot of you watching this probably really don't get into airsoft, or not really into it, or don't understand airsoft. For me, airsoft is like a stress reliever. If I'm having a shitty week, or just a shitty week, or just feeling down in the dumps, I can go out, meet up with some friends, go take out some people, and it's a stress reliever. I feel happy. I'm hanging out with people, I'm just having a good time. And that's what we're all trying to do. We're trying to start this squad, Task Force Delta, and we're going to start getting into some training. I got a training regimen, not a regimen, training schedule that I'm going to be making up here soon. I'm going to let them know about it. I gotta find out what roles they want in the squad. Originally, right here, I'll go grab it for you. This is my Zombie Striker M4 Echo 1. Probably hard to fit in the frame, but the sole purpose of this build was a DMR build. And if you don't know what DMR means, it's a designated marksman rifle. So you have sniper and DMR and then frontman. I believe it's called frontman. And so I originally was going to be a DMR role, which is shooting like 380 to like 450, and the sniper is usually with like 450 to 500. I am now gonna go for a sniper role. So I'm gonna be hopefully here soon getting a new rifle, a bolt action rifle. And the bolt action rifle I'm getting is 212, and it's going to be shooting around 500, which is perfect. I mean, a little much for the field that I play in, but you can never be too cautious, never be too safe, you know. So, that's what I'm going for. I've been talking to them a lot. I'm gonna find out what roles they want to do, what kind of gear they want to run, and stuff like that. So, once I get all that info, I will let you guys know about that in the next upcoming video. And that's really it, guys. So, I'm gonna sign off here, like the name says below. Back you can. Have y'all a nice mother trucking day and keep on trucking. Peace.